Hey kings and queens, I am back with another video, and today the video is going to be about fluffy smokable. So this one right here is called Purple Rain. This is one that I sell on my site. This is actually my husband's favorite, so I decided I'm gonna do this one, and it's pouring down here in Chattanooga, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna move this to the side. And so right here we have Blue Lotus, and then we have lavender. Okay. And then here what I did, I've got Skullcap and I have passion flower in there. So I had to grind it up because passion flower, I ran out of it. So I had to go and get some. And as you can see here, it tends to have a lot of sticks in it. So I didn't like that. So what I did, I just grinded it up with the Skullcap, and I combined the two. And this one right here is Damiana. Okay, so y'all are very familiar with that because you know I use that in just about all my smokables. And this right here is raspberry leaf, which is so fluffy and soft, and it just kind of sticks. You see that? Oh, I love that. So the reason why I chose raspberry leaf is so it can catch these smaller pieces. The more fluffier your base herb is, which this is going to be my base. Y'all remember what I told you, when you're formulating, you got to have the base herb. And so I decided to add wild lettuce to it. And this is what it looks like. Got some of the stem, the leaves in there. And then here I decided to go with marshmallow root. Marshmallow root is also fluffy and it has a good smoke to it. So this is going to be my other base herb. So I'm going to combine the two. And you actually want your base herbs to be more than anything else. So that should actually be 50% of your which is, you can call it a carrier or a base. So for the supportive role, I'm going to go ahead and Damiana is one that can be used as a carrier or a supportive role. And for my flavoring, I think I'm going to add a little bit of peppermint to it this time. Now on my site it does not have peppermint, but I'm going to go ahead and add it to this. So you want, for your base, you want at least 2 tablespoons or more of base. And for your specific herbs, which is your supportive role, you want to make sure you have at least 1 tablespoon. And then you want, if you're going to do a flavoring herb, you need a 1/2 teaspoon. If you're doing seeds or spices, remember you need 1 teaspoon. So I'm going to move all this stuff out the way. Move it down a little bit, and we're going to start combining them. But also, if your base herb is not fluffy, then you can make it fluffy by rolling it on the palm of your hand, depending on what it is. You can just roll it, and I'll show you in a second. Like for instance, we'll take the Damiana. Some people may use it as a base, but you can just, kind of roll it. Try to get it fluffy. If you don't have a coffee grinder or whatever, you want it to try to stick. If you're going to use it as your base, it's going to be kind of hard to do it. So let's try this one, which is the marshmallow leaf. So you just roll it. And sometimes this works. Okay, so you see it's a little more together when you do it that way. So we're going to go ahead and add the red raspberry leaf. Look at that. That is so fluffy, you guys. Just look at that. And it just sticks together, which is going to be good for this because it will be able to catch it. So we're going to add the passion flower and the Skullcap. And we're going to go ahead and add the marshmallow leaf. the wild lettuce, Damiana, and of course the star of the show, y'all know, Blue Lotus and lavender. So this is why I chose the name Purple Rain, because of the lavender and the Blue Lotus. And you just mix it in. And remember, if you don't have a coffee grinder, like I said, just try to roll it and make it fluffy that way, because sometimes that does work. Like if you rub it together, it normally will work. Like if you have roots and bark, or if you got roots and bark, you want to grind it down, maybe with the coffee grinder, to a fine powder. But if you have pipe, if you're going to be smoking it through a pipe, it's okay for it to be coarse. But if you're going to, you know, so you can kind of see how the marshmallow leaf, if you get ready to put that, if you roll that up, you see how it picked up the little smaller pieces. This is so great, you guys. If you have little small seeds or pieces, I would recommend lemon balm, red raspberry leaf, or mullein. You know, that's another good one that's fluffy. But I just wanted to show you all, when you get a fluffy mixture, it just stays together so much better. But this is Purple Rain. So, and it smells, oh my God, y'all, it smells so amazing. And my husband loves it. Like I said, I drink it as a tea, but he'll smoke it. So if you like, please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell.